Hello, I'm Chris, and this is my Jurassic Park stickers on a Jeep. Stupid or cool? They were $92 in case you're looking for the same quality, and they are magnetic. You know, somebody makes fun of me and hurts my feelings, I can just peel them off. They're not permanent. And the fact that they're magnetic, they kind of pop out a little bit, gives it a little bit different look. Seriously, I'm making this video because I need to know if you saw that driving down the street. Is that cool with those stickers or not? Please let me know in the comments. Got the minion poking out. Cool, not cool? I think it's cool. This van is a lot smoother than that car right there. So one of the reasons I got this car was because, number one, it was 7 miles away. Drove 7 miles, drove it back, and I made that video. You see it sitting outside? You see how it got dirty like that? It is going to motivate me more than anything else on this planet to get that shop built and get a place to park it, because you see, that's not cool. That car should be inside right now. And the reason I'm driving the Jeep is because I'm about to do a video on exactly how this car rides and try to put it in perspective if you can daily drive it. Of course you can daily drive it, but what does it feel like? Because they do not let you test drive the 1LE like that. They wouldn't even let me look at this car until I was pre-qualified for financing. They ran a credit check, approved my trade-in in real life, and all I had to do was just sign the papers. That is when they let me see the car, and they did let me test drive the car, because I told them that if there was anything screwed up with that car, I was going to bring it back and I want a freaking refund. And I got lucky because this is just like a brand new car. But a little sneak peek is that I would much rather daily drive that Jeep right there than to daily drive this car. So please let me know in the comments what you honestly think about those stickers. You are not going to hurt my feelings. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.